Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, student.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking me. Okay, before we start our lessons today, let's sing Basmalah all together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, let me check your present list. Anissa
Present, Miss.
and Yuli Astriani.
Present, Miss.
Okay, good. Okay. Before we start our material today, I want to all of you watching this video.
Okay, today we will learn about introduction. Introduction for kids. Let's learn. Hope all of you are ready. Hey, my name is Rahul. I am 5 years old. I am from India. I live in Pune, Maharashtra. Let's practice again. Let's learn the next 5 lines. I go to Ryan International School. I love reading storybooks. My favorite food is pizza. I want to become an artist when I grow up. Now we will learn the next 5 lines. My sister's name is Mansi. My mother's name is Archana. My father's name is Pankaj. I love my family. Thank you.
After we are watching the video, can you know what we are going to learn today?
I think we are going to learn about how to introduce myself.
That's good. Yuli, how about you? What we are going to learn today?
I think it's about self-introduction, Miss.
That's great. Nah, before we, okay. Let me check share screen, my PowerPoint. Can you see my PowerPoint?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So, what is self-introduction? Anissa, can you read my screen?
Okay. Self-introduction, explain who you are, what you do, and what others need to know about you.
Okay. So, how to introduce yourself? before we introduce ourselves, we can start with greeting. Yuli, what is the example of greeting?
Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, and let me introduce myself.
Okay, that's good. And after greeting, we can introduce ourselves with telling our name. Example, my name is Hana Putri Utami atau I am Hana Putri Utami. And you can call me Hana. Jadi, kalian bisa menggunakan you can call me Hana itu untuk menyebutkan nama panggilan kalian saja. Dan my name is itu kalian gunakan untuk menyebutkan nama panjang kalian. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. And then after telling your name, we can adding some information. Kita bisa menambahkan umur kita, dari mana kita berasal, kita tinggal di mana, kita lahir di mana, apa hobi kita, apa makanan kesukaan kita, warna kesukaan kita, dan lain-lainnya. Yang pertama ada I am blah 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 years old. Kalian bisa menyebutkan umur kalian sendiri, berapa umur kalian. And then I am from. I am from ini kalian gunakan untuk menyebutkan dari mana kalian berasal. Misalnya, I am from Palangkaraya, or I am from Bogor, or I am from Papua. Jadi tergantung informasi pribadi kalian masing-masing. And then I live in, on, and at. Ada yang tahu nggak apa perbedaan dari I live in, on, and at?
Nggak tahu, Miss.
Oke. Jadi I live in kita gunakan untuk menyebutkan di mana kita tinggal hanya untuk kotanya saja. Contohnya, I live in Palangkaraya. I live in Banjarmasin. Sedangkan I live on itu kita gunakan saat kita menyebutkan alamat rumah kita. Misalnya, I live on Ramin 2 Street atau I live on Jalan Badak. Nah, sedangkan I live at itu lebih spesifik. Kalian menyebutkan alamat rumah kalian, menyebutkan nomor rumah kalian, dan menyebutkan kota di mana kalian tinggal. Contohnya, I live at Jalan Ramin 2, number 15 in Palangkaraya. And then, I was born in and on. Do you know what is different between in and on? Hello?
Kalau nggak salah, kalau I was born in itu tempat, Miss, tempat di mana lahirnya.
Ya. And on?
Kalau yang I was born on itu untuk tanggal lahir.
That's great. Itu benar ya. Jadi, I was born in itu kita gunakan untuk menyebutkan tempat di mana kita dilahirkan. Dan on itu kita gunakan untuk menyebutkan tanggal lahirnya, bulan lahirnya, dan tahun lahirnya. Contohnya, I was born in Palangkaraya on 21st April 2001. Atau I was born in Banjarmasin on 1st of January 2001. And the last, my hobby is blah 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 atau my hobbies are blah blah blah. Jadi my hobi ini kita jadi hobi ini adalah menyebutkan apa kesukaan kalian. Do you know what is different my hobby is and my hobbies are?
My hobby is, hobinya satu. My hobbies are, hobinya banyak.
Iya, benar. Anissa, what is your hobby?
I like listening to music.
Okay, the only listening music?
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Yuli? What is your hobbies?
My hobby is watching movie.
Oke. Nah, selain kita menambahkan umur, dari mana kita berasal, di mana alamat kita, di mana kita dilahirkan, atau apa aja hobi kita juga bisa menambahkan apa warna favorit kita. My favorite color itu warna, and my favorite food itu untuk makanan. And the last, ada greeting closing. Apa tuh greeting closing? Contohnya apa aja, Nisa?
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Okay, it's really good. So, have you any question for how to introduce ourselves?
I have no question.
Okay. Anissa, can you introduce yourself for us and read the PowerPoint?
Okay,
Yeah,
Miss.
okay.
Hi. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa. You can call me Icha.
Okay.
I am 12 years old. I am from Bogor, and now I live on Palangkaraya. I was born in Palangkaraya on 4th September 2000. My hobby is listening to music. My favorite color is purple. My favorite food is meatball. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Anissa. And then the last, Yuli. Yuli?
Hi.
Okay.
Yeah, Miss. Hi, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yulia Sriani. You can call me Yuli. I am 10 years old. I'm from Semarang, and now I live on Palangkaraya. Yeah. I was born in Semarang on 5th June 2000. My hobby is watching movie. My favorite color is black. And my favorite food is fried chicken. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Yuli. Oke. Miss rasa kalian semua udah pada bisa nih tentang self introduction kali ini. And then, okay, what did we learn today? Yuli, can you explain what did we learn today?
We learned about how to introduce ourselves.
Okay. Anissa, what did we learn today?
We learn about self-introduction. We can tell other people about my name and how old I am, my hobby, and my favorite food, and other things.
Okay, that's great. And the last, oh, okay. Maybe, Miss Rasa, pembelajaran kita hari ini sudah selesai. Any question about self-introduction?
No, Miss.
No, Miss.
Oke. Miss punya tugas. Kalian bikin video, durasinya cukup 2 menit. Kalian bisa kirim ke email Miss. Oke. Kalian bikin video tentang self-introduction. Make a video about self-introduction. Submit before April. Oke, dicatat ya alamat email Miss biar
Oke,
kalian bisa
Miss.
ngumpul tugas kalian.
Oke, Miss.
Membuat videonya cukup 2 menit saja. Itu perkenalan tentang diri kalian, terserah kalian mau nambahin tentang keluarga kalian atau teman kesayangan kalian atau apapun yang kalian mau. Oke, jelas?
Jelas, Miss.
Oke. That's all about our material today. Let's close our lessons today. Let's say hamdalah all together. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you, Miss Hana.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you on the next meeting.
See you.